हा, कोणीतरी रीड करा हे सन्निकर्ष. अजून थोडे लोक जॉईन होतात का बघूया. तोपर्यंत सन्निकर्ष वाचा. रोल नंबर 1 आहे का प्रेझेंट? नाही वाटत. रोल नंबर 2, रीड द सन्निकर्ष नोट्स. रोल नंबर 2, माहेश्वरी. हॅलो. हॅलो, ऑडिबल नाही आहे. हॅलो. ठीक आहे ना, वाचा. अजून आता 20 लोक जॉईन झाले. थोडे होत आहेत, तोपर्यंत रिवाइज करा तुम्ही. म्हणजे काही तुमचं लिहायचं राहिलं असेल किंवा
इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष ना. इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष is essential for प्रत्यक्ष. सन्निकर्ष means connection or contact. सन्निकर्ष नाम संबंधः, the connection or relation of atma with man with indriya and indriyah with their own vishay to get the pratyaksha knowledge of vishayas is called as sannikarsha. It is also called as indriyartha sannikarsha. Bande laikik pratyaksha is got by this sannikarsha only. Laukik pratyaksha is got by this sannikarsha only. There are 6 type of laukik pratyaksha. The indriyartha sannikarsha helpful to got laukik pratyaksha are also of 6 types. First, sanyoga sannikarsha. Second, sanyukta samavaya sannikarsha. Third, sanyukta samaveta samavaya sannikarsha. Fourth, samavaya sannikarsha. Fifth, samaveta samavaya sannikarsha. Sixth, विशेष्य भाव सन्निकर्ष. फर्स्ट, संयोग सन्निकर्ष कंजक्शन. चक्षुषा घट प्रत्यक्ष जने संयोग सन्निकर्ष. प्रत्यक्ष knowledge is got by the union or junction or contact of indriya with dravyas.
Example.
Then example, when there is union of chakshu with ghat, then only the knowledge about ghat is possible. Hence there is also of chakshu and ghat. This sanikarsha is of sanyog type, knowledge of dravyas got by 2 indriyas, chakshu and man. Hence, here indriya and artha are in the form of dravyas. Therefore, the relation or on sanikarsha is in the form of sayog. Therefore, it is called as sayog sanikarsha. Second, sanyukta samavaya sannikarsha. Inheritance is that which is conjoined. Ghat rupa pratyajanane sanyukta samavaya sannikarsha. The pratyaksha knowledge of ghatadi dravyas rupadi qualities are by sanyukta samavaya sannikarsha. There is yoga of chakshu with ghat. There is samavayu sambandha between ghata rupadi qualities. In this pratyaksha,
घट and घट. Hello. संबंध between घट and घटा's रूपादि qualities.
Okay, miss. Ghata and ghata upadi qualities. In this pratyaksha sanikarsha of ghat with chakshu is of sayoga type and with roop is of samavaya type. Because there is samavaya sambandha between ghat and roop, therefore this type of sanikarsha is called as sayukta samavaya sanikarsha. Third, sanyukta samaveta samavaya sanikarsha. Inheritance in that which is conjoined. Ghate rupam samavetam yata rupattvasya samavayat रूपत्व सामान्य प्रत्यक्षे समवेत समवाय सन्निकर्ष कर्षः चक्षु समवेत. In ghat rupa is in samavet form and there is samavaya sambandha between roop and rupatva. Then there is contact of ghatas with the rupa, roop of ghat and rupatva with chakshu. This sannikarsha is sanyukta samavet samavaya. In this pratyaksha or sannikarsha there is pratyaksha of 3. घट घटस्थित रूप and rupasti rupatva together. There is union between indriya and artha. In artha its roop is samavet, and in rupatva is samanya samavet. Therefore after indriya and the artha sanikarsha, there is sanikarsha of indriya with artha samavet, rupa and rupa samavet, its rupatva samanya. Therefore this sanikarsha is called as sanyukta samavet samavaya sanikarsha. Fourth, समवाय सन्निकर्ष इनहेरियंस. श्रोत्रेण शब्द साक्षात्कारे समवाय सन्निकर्षः. कर्ण विवर्धत्य कारस्य
विवर्त्य आकाश कर्ण विवर्ति आकाशस्य
कर्ण विवरदस्य आकाशस्य. श्रोत्रत्वात् शब्दस्ताकाश गुणत्यात्
शब्दस्य
आकाश गुणत्यात् गुणगुणिशोश्च समवायात्. When there is contact of Shrotendriya with Shabda, the Samavaya Sannikarsa occurs. Samavaya Sannikarsa, this word is used in the reference of Shabda and Shravan. This relation between Gun and Guni is known as Samavaya Sambandha. Shabda Guna is of Akash. There is Samavaya Sambandha between Akash and Shabda. Shabda is not separated from Akash. Karna is Akashatmak Shrotrendriya. Therefore, in Karna, Shabda is present with Samavaya Sambandha, and there is Samavaya Sambandha between Shabda and Akash. The Pratyaksha knowledge of Shabda is got by Sotra. Shabda Guna forms in Sotra Rupi Akashmat Indriya with Samavaya Sambandha. Therefore, for Shabda Pratyaksha, Samavaya Sannikarsha is the cause. Fifth, Samaveta Samavaya Sannikarsha, inheritance in inheritance. Shabda साक्षात्कारे समवेत समवाय सन्निकर्षः. श्रोत्र समवेत शब्दत्वस्य समवायात्. The word samavet samavaya sannikarsa is also used in the reference of shabda and shravan. Shabda is related to shravanendriya with samavaya sambandha, and in shabda shabdatva is samaveda. In shravan pratyaksha we also get knowledge of types of shabdatva jati. Example, voice of man and woman, voice of birds or animals, etc. Therefore, in Shravan Pratiksha, there is Sannikarsha between Sotendriya with Shabda, Shabda with Samaved Shabdatva. Therefore, this Sannikarsha is called as Samaved Samavaya Sannikarsha.
विशेषण विशेषण
Wait a minute.
हाँ दुसरं कोणीतरी वाचा मग. हॅलो 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 वाचते का माहेश्वरी?
थोडस राहिलंय माझं लिहायचं.
हा कोणतरी वाचा दुसरा.
प्रॉब्लेम होता.
हा आकाश. हॅलो रोल नंबर 17. हॅलो
राहिलेले मॅम लिहायचं थोडं.
रोल नंबर 10. सभी का बाकी है क्या? फिर तभी क्यों नहीं बताया सभी ने? तो मैं पढ़ने के लिए नहीं बोलती तो कोई बोलता ही नहीं ना. हॅलो कोणी लिहिलंय का? हॅलो हा वाच.
विशेषण विशेष भाव सन्निकर्ष. द रिलेशन ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन अँड क्वालिफाईड. अभाव प्रत्यक्ष विशेषण विशेष भाव सन्निकर्ष घटाभावात भूतल मित्रत्र चक्षु
घटाभावात ते नाही लिहिलं
लिहिलं ना. घटाभावात भूतल मित्यत्र चक्षु संयुक्त
भूत येते ते भूतलम इति अत्र चक्षुसंयुते भूतले घटाभावस्य विशेषणत्वात्.
हाँ.
भूतलम इति
Above five types Sannikarsa are cause of Pratyaksha of Bhav Padarthat. The knowledge of above Pratyaksha is got by the Visheshan Vishesha Bhav Sannikarsa. When we see above of anything or any padartha, at that time we do not see above. Example, we are observing the place where the pot is likely to be present.
likely light नहीं
likely to be present, but sometimes we see absence of pot at that place and explain it at ghata bhav yukta bhutala. Here knowledge of visheshan is got along with
all pramanas are useful in Ayurveda. All pramanas are useful in Ayurveda. But Ayurveda is applied science. Therefore, Pratyaksha Praman is very important. Next line. In Atur Pariksha and Roga Jnan, Pratyaksha is very important. श्लोकाला दर्शन स्पर्शन प्रश्नैः दर्शन स्पर्शन प्रश्नैः परीक्षेत अर्थ रोगिणं परीक्षेत अर्थ रोगिणं परत एकदा रिपीट करते दर्शन स्पर्शन प्रश्नैः परीक्षेतार्थ रोगिणं वैद्य should examine रोगी वैद्य should examine रोगी with darshan sparshan and prashna pariksha with darshan sparshan and prashna pariksha. These three types of parikshas should be done by indriyas. These three types of parikshas should be done by indriyas. These three parikshas are included in pratyaksha. These three parikshas are included in pratyaksha. Charak told that खाली श्लोक लिहायचा आहे. चरक told that dash श्लोकाला प्रत्यक्षस्तु खलु रोगतत्वं बुभुत्सुः सर्वैः इन्द्रियैः नेक्स्ट लाइन सर्वाणि इन्द्रियान् आतुर शरीरगतान् परीक्षेत न अन्यत्र न रिपीट करते प्रत्यक्षस्तु खलु रोगतत्वं बुभुत्सुः सर्वैः इन्द्रियैः सर्वाणि इन्द्रियान् आतुर शरीरगतान् परीक्षेत न अन्यत्र रसज्ञानात् चरक विमानस्थान 4/7. It means Vaidya should examine all Vishayas. Vaidya should examine all Vishayas which are present in the body of Rogi. All Vishayas which are present in the body of Rogi, with the help of all Indriyas. But he should not use Rasanendriya as a Pratyaksha Praman. Next line. Pariksha of gunas like Shabda, Sparsha, Roop and Gandha. Pariksha of gunas like Shabda, Sparsha, Roop and Gandha is done by examining the Rogi Sharir, and Bhav Padarthas in the body. Bhav Padarthas in the body. Examination with Shrotra Pratyaksha. Fufusa Dhvani, respiratory sound. Hriday Dhvani, heartbeat. Antrakujan, peristalsis. Fufusa Dhvani, respiratory sound, heartbeat. Hriday Dhvani, Antrakujan, peristalsis are examined by Shravana Nalika or stethoscope. by Akotan or Tadan, auscultation and percussion. Akotan and Tadan, in bracket, auscultation and percussion. Fluid and gas in the abdomen is examined. Akotan or Tadan, fluid and gas in the body, abdomen is examined. Prakrut or Vikrut voice of Rugna is examined by Shrotrendriya. Prakrut or Vikrut voice of Rugna is examined by Shrotrendriya. Next is Sparshan Pratyaksha. Sparshan Pratyaksha. Temperature of patient's body. Temperature of patient's body, comma, hardness, softness, tenderness, hardness, softness, tenderness, etc. are examined by Sparsha Pariksha. Are examined by Sparsha Pariksha. Enlargement of liver, spleen, gland, hernia. Enlargement of liver, spleen, gland, hernia, etc. are examined by Sparsha Pratyaksha. Are examined by Sparsha Pratyaksha. Next is Chakshu Pratyaksha. Chakshu Pratyaksha, examination through Chakshu Pratyaksha. Color of skin, pigmentation, color of skin, pigmentation, swelling, tumor, wound, abscess, etc. are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha.
मॅम परत सांगा.
Color of skin, pigmentation, swelling, tumor, wound, abscess, etc. are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha. Etc. are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha. Internal parts of body are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha. Internal parts of body are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha with the help of laryngoscope, cystoscope, laparoscope, etc. Laryngoscope, cystoscope, laparoscope, etc. instruments. Etc. instruments. Color, form, form of Malamutra Vamandravya, etc. are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha. Etc. are examined by Chakshu Pratyaksha. Patient's height, weight, thinness, fatness, height, weight, thinness, fatness, normal form or abnormality of abdomen, hands, legs, normal form or abnormality of abdomen, hands, legs is examined or seen by Chakshurendriya. Examined by Chakshurendriya. Next है Grahana Pratyaksha. Examination Grahana Pratyaksha. Examination Grahana Pratyaksha. Particular smell of Mala Mutra Vamandravya or secretions which come through wound all are examined by Ghanendriya. Particular smell of mala, mutra, vamand, dravya, secretions which come through wound, all are examined by Ghanendriya. Next है रसना प्रत्यक्ष, examination through रसना प्रत्यक्ष, रासन प्रत्यक्ष और रसना प्रत्यक्ष. Examination of bhav padarthas of rugna, examination of bhav padarthas of rugna are not done by Vaidya, are not done by Vaidya with Rasnendriya, are not done by Vaidya with Rasnendriya. But these bhav padarthas are given to other animals. But these bhav padarthas are given to other animals, and from that examination of bhav padarthas is done. Examination of bhav padarthas is done. Nowadays, many chemicals are used for this examination. Nowadays, many chemicals are used for this examination. Next paragraph. In Ayurveda, Ashtavida Pariksha is explained for Rogi Pariksha. Examined for Rogi Pariksha.
मॅम परत सांगा.
In Ayurveda, Ashtavida Pariksha is explained for Rogi Pariksha. Nadi, Mutra, Mala, Jiva, Shabda, Sparsha, Druk and Akruti. Nadi, Mala, Mutra, Jiva, Shabda, Sparsha, Druk and Akruti. These are Ashtavid Parikshas. These are the Ashtavid Parikshas. These parikshas can be done by Indriya only. These parikshas can be done by Indriya only. Knowledge got by Indriya comes under Pratyaksha. Knowledge got by Indriya comes under Pratyaksha. Therefore, Pratyaksha is very important. Next paragraph. Like this, Pratyaksha Praman is useful in Rugna Pariksha, औषधि द्रव्य परीक्षा, औषधि द्रव्य भस्मांसाठी परीक्षा सांगितलेल्या आहेत. च्यवनप्राश सारखे तुम्ही अवलेह बनवतात त्याच्या सुद्धा परीक्षा सांगितलेल्या आहेत. या सगळ्या प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणाखाली येतात. औषधी द्रव्य परीक्षा प्रत्यक्ष इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इन other branches of Ayurveda. Other branches of Ayurveda like Agada Tantra, Kaumar Bhritya, Prasuti Tantra, Rasa Bhaishajya Kalpana, and इथे आपलं प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण संपलेलं आहे. सेकंड पेपर मध्ये येतं प्रमाण सगळे. तर उद्या आपण फर्स्ट पेपर अटेंडन्स या असतील तर